Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. We are in Zurich, and with me here now is the CEO of US Gold, Edward Karr, who wants to give us a comment and insight on the latest drill results on the Keystone project. Welcome, Ed. Good to see you again.
Yeah, great to see you, Jochen. Thanks for having me.
It has been a while, and I think you put out some great results yesterday, right?
We did. We actually released it this morning. So this is our Keystone 2019 drill results. So as you know, and I think all your subscribers and watchers, we've been hard at work at Keystone over the last several years. And a lot of work goes into gold exploration, as we know. Time, money to get to that discovery success. Just a quick overview, again, maybe a recap for the viewers out there. Keystone is an emerging district for us on the Cortez Trend. It's a big project. It's about 20 square miles, 6.5 miles long by 3.5 miles wide, 12,000 acres, 650 mining claims. So over the last 4 years.
And some prominent neighbors, I think, right?
Very much so. We are about 10 miles south of Barrick Gold's Cortez Hills complex. That includes the Cortez Hills mine, pipeline across the valley, Gold Rush, their new discovery 4 miles. So that's just right north of us. So Keystone looks extremely prospective. As you know, we've done a tremendous amount of mapping, soil sampling, geophysics, and then ultimately drilling. So our 2019 drilling that we just released this morning, we did a combination of core and RC holes following up on real specific targets. And over the years, we've taken this very big land package and we are narrowing it in, trying to get to that discovery success, drilling into one of these high-grade feeder zones, these real Cortez and Carlin type deposits, big high-grade drill intercepts. So in the press release this morning, we talked specifically about one drill hole that was quite exciting for us, and that is Keystone 1905 RC. This was drilled into a new target for us called Nina Skarn. We are getting real target areas in the Keystone district now, narrowing in on that discovery success. And what's so exciting about Nina Skarn and this Keystone 1905 RC is we have had the strongest gold mineralization of any hole drilled yet on the Keystone project. So we're talking over 70 meters of some nice gold intercepts. We would not classify this yet as a high-grade gold discovery, but it shows us, we believe, we're really on the edge, Jochen, of something quite significant.
Wow, great. So what have you to do now to follow up on that?
Well, to follow up on it, obviously we get back those results, the assays from the labs. We've announced that on the press release this morning. Our entire geological team looks at this, analyzes them, interprets them in context with all the other drilling and geophysics and mapping and soil samples we've done. And we will design our next phase of exploration program, which will happen in 2020. Keystone, it's moving into winter in Nevada. It's in the mountains, so the snows have come. You can't get a drill rig in or off the project till probably next April or May, but we're going to be ready to go. And the results from today, if the listeners and viewers go out and look at this press release closely, they're going to see that we believe we're like on the edge of a halo. What happens with these Cortez type deposits, if I might even use the microphone as a prop, the Cortez deposit north of us, when you look at Cortez Hills, it's a 15 million ounce breccia pipe, high-grade monster, but very compact, very narrow. So if you can drill right into this microphone, you hit the high grade. That would be an incredible intercept. But a lot of these deposits leave what we call halos. For maybe a kilometer around that microphone will be some good intercepts. So we believe we are very close with this 1905 target in Nina Skarn. Now we need to follow up on it, Jochen, because the question becomes, is it to the left? Is it to the east? Is it to the north, to the south? Where do we go? And we need to vector in on that next discovery hole.
Fantastic. So what would happen if you then find the real pipe?
Well, I tell you, it would be amazing.
Yeah.
And real discovery success, when you look just north of us, for instance, at Barrick Gold's new discovery 4 Mile that was announced the end of last year, I mean, they have had drill hole intercepts there north of 100 grams per ton. So if we can drill into a major, economic grade discovery hole over a nice intercept.
It's a game changer.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly. Then I think we will see incredible stock price appreciation.
Yeah, absolutely. So how much money would you deploy next year into that property probably?
Working on it right now. We'll come out with future press releases talking specifically about targets, about budgets, about everything. So everyone should really stay tuned, but we're very enthusiastic about where we are today.
Fantastic. Then I would say keep it going and we look forward to 2020.
Yep. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Ed. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, it was Edward Karr, the CEO of US Gold, commenting on his latest press release. And yeah, it looks like Keystone, it's getting more and more and more promising. Of course, more follow-up work, but these results from today, amazing. I would suggest you check them out. And thanks for watching us, and bye-bye from Zurich.